Hi guys, good morning! And it's day 4 with me here in Boracay. So, kami ay maglalakad papuntang Station 1. So, ngayon, as far as you guys know, nasa Station 2 kami and we're going to Station 1. Lalakaran lang namin. So, dadan kami dun sa Willis Rock, something like that. And doon na din kami kakain. So, we're just waiting for them. It's very early right now. Like, around 6, 7. Around 6, 7 something. So, yeah. See you later. Ma! So, guys, mali pala ako. Hindi pala kami Station 2. Station 3 pala. And pupunta kami Station 1. Hindi ko mahaba-haba siyang lakad. But kaya yan. Pero gutom na ako. Pero kaya yan. So we're walking right now. We're here at the road. Sa may Azalea Ward. So hi guys, we're here at the mall in Boracay and we're looking for an ATM machine para makapag-withdraw. Pero ang hirap maghanap, guys. Yung ATM machine, oh my god. Yung ATM machine pala sa video, nasa kabila pa. Kaya ang layo na namin. So, we're looking for another ATM machine somewhere here. Yan, galing kami dito kahapon. Yeah. So, hi guys! Kami ay nasa labas na ulit at nangharap naman ng ATM and I think we're going to look for food. Muna, dito ko nag-breakfast. It's already 8 or 7 something. So yeah, nakakapagod kasi lakad kami ng lakad kanina pa. But it's all good. So hi guys, we're going to Boca Beach. O ba? I think so. Anyways, let's go. Pasakay kami sa tuk-tuk. So hi guys, nakababa lang namin and we're here now. It was quite a long ride, mga 10-15 minutes I think. Oh, ay hindi, mga 10 to 10-15 minutes. But it looks good. Ang dami dito promote ng kanang business, mga nag-sales stock. Yeah. So hi guys, kakatapos lang namin kumain and we're here sa Banig. sarap ng beach. Ano yan, napakainit pa kasi. And we'll take some pictures later and maybe swim. Siguro sila na lang eh. Kasi hindi naman ako nakapang beach talaga. Pero kaya naman. See you later. Hi guys! So, kakatapos naman na nag-pictures and maganda, sobrang ganda ng mga pictures ni Kuya and nandyan siya. And if you want, actually guys, mas bet ko yung beach dito compared doon sa may Boracay Island. Kasi guys, yung sand dito and yung water is ibang-iba talaga. Parang siyang Matnog Subic sa Sorsogon. So if you want to experience something like this, go to Matnog Sorsogon guys. It's the so-called pink beach in Bicol. So you should try that. Pink dun kasi yung sand because of the corals there. So sobrang ganda dun guys. So it reminds me of Subic dito. So if you want to try that, go to Subic Sorsogon. Hi guys, we're inside the tuk-tuk again. So we're going to Station 1 sa Willis Rock. And alis na kami sa tuk-tuk.
One central building. One central. Yeah, one central. Boracay station.
Hi guys, kakababa lang namin ng ng tuk-tuk. So nandito na kami. Station 1. Ayan. Willis Rock. It looks really good guys. Like wait, let me show you guys. So, ayan guys, we're walking. Papunta doon. Babasa kasi yung palda ko, pero naka-swimming shorts naman ako guys. I don't think malalim naman siya. We're going to take pictures there, up there. So, let's go! Ang ganda guys. Buti nga hindi masyadong malalim. Kasi akala ko, malalim siya. Kasi actually, sa pictures, low tide. Pero dito, nung tinignan ko, akala ko malalim, pero hindi man pala. So, goods. So, hi guys, we're going to eat. We're looking for a place to eat ngayon. And nasa labas na kami. Kami lang ni Migs nandito. Kasi later na daw kakain kina mama at may work silang inaasikaso. So hi guys, kakatapos lang namin kumain and pabalik na kami sa resort. And ayan, magpapahinga lang ako saglit tapos try ko maligo dito sa dagat maya maya. Hey guys, we're walking now sa labas. Kakalabas lang din namin ng resort. We're going to look for food. It's 6:23 na ngayon. Tapos lang namin kumain dito. What is that? Caninderia. And we're buying coffee here sa Timpla. And very playful ni Kuya. Very cute sila. Hi guys! We're walking now. Punta kami sa Timog. Kakatapos namin kumain at bumili. So hi guys, so kakabalik lang namin dito sa resort. So I'm quite happy na makakagawa ko ngayon ng outro kasi ilang beses na ako hindi nakapagawa ng outro. Last ko outro, I think day 1. Kasi lagi napupuno yung cellphone ko. I don't know what's happening, guys. Give me recommendations how to clear the storage sa phone. iPhone kasi gamit ko. Tapos kahit mag-delete ako ng apps, like wala nang photos, like 0 photos and everything. Wala nang apps. Like, di pa siya nababawasan. Puno pa rin siya. So, I don't know how to do that thing. I think it's a system problem. I don't know. Anyway, sira kasi yung cellphone ko. So, yan. Tapos, I have many things to do. So, this will be the end of the video. And, goodbye guys. I hope you enjoy the videos so far. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ingat palagi. Mo.